Federal High Court Abuja has granted an order of interim injunctions restraining Lagos-based legal practitioner Dele Farotimi, whether acting by himself or his representatives, from further publishing, selling, circulating, advertising, or distributing the physical, hard, digital, or soft copies of his book entitled Nigeria and Its Criminal Justice System. Justice Peter Kekemeke granted the order after listening to the ex parte application filed by the claimant, the managing partner of Afe Babalola's law firm, senior advocate of Nigeria, Kehinde Ogunju. The court also granted an order of interim injunction directing the seizure of all physical copies of the book authored by the defendant wherever they may be found.
Thank you so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother Secret. It just appeared the judiciary in Nigeria, something is deeply wrong. It's as if they have gone mad. With the type of things we hear, the actions being taken against Dele Farotimi, the author of this #1 bestseller, Nigeria and its criminal justice system. What we hear daily, the type of relief people are going to court to secure, the type of pronouncement we are hearing from different courts is mind-blowing. How can somebody who said he's a senior advocate of Nigeria, they picked up Dele Farotimi, he is in prison somewhere in Ekiti State since 4th of December. He was arrested on the 3rd. Then since 4th of December, he has been in prison. Nobody had given him opportunity to defend himself. Nobody. We have not had for many courts the case with Afe Babalola and his co-travelers. The case they have against Dele Farotimi, it has not been presented in any court. Yet, they are buying time. While the man is under psychological torture, because the environment where he is not where he's supposed to be. What is he doing in prison custody? Under correctional center, what is he doing there? For what offense? We expected that the judiciary should assume that this man is innocent until he is proven guilty. And we are looking at a group of people acting in trade capacity. Afe Babalola group are the accusers. Afe Babalola group are presenting themselves as the prosecutors. Afe Babalola group are presenting themselves as the judge. You see them speak with impunity, with rascality of the highest order. Just apologize and be free. Just apologize and be free. So, is he in prison to be intimidated with fearsome intimidation? You compel him to offer apology, not deserved. Just apologize and be free. But the man has said, take me to court. There was no reason for you to deploy federal force, federal might against an individual, one person. If you know yourself and you know you have the capacity to face this man in court, there was no need using police to arrest him. You were just supposed to file your case in court. The parties will meet in court.
Many of you must know this guy, Kehinde Ogunju. His mother is a Supreme Court Justice and he's a partner to Are Afe Babalola's chambers. He filed this motion at an Abuja High Court and it was granted. Now to the most important one. He also sought from the court, which was equally granted, that all the sellers, including Amazon, all of them that are selling it, should channel the royalties to him. That means he wants them to pay all the money that is due to Dele Farotimi to them. Yes, sort of they are trying to recover part of the 500 million naira claim they have made in court. He wants them to start getting the money. That's even before the hearing starts on the defamation suit. So how does this really work? Someone can just wake up and approach any court and file for a motion, and the court will approve the motion without seeing the accused person or the respondent. In this case, Dele Farotimi.
But look at what we are hearing. Whatever they ask the court will grant. Stop the sale of the book, court will grant. Stop the printing of the book, court will grant. Curiously, what are we hearing again? Whatever proceed made from the sale of the book, give it to me, court will grant. What sounds like that? If the court is granting all this relief, does it then mean that they have already judged Dele Farotimi and convict him? He is found guilty without hearing from him? What if anybody asks the court? As long as it's against Dele Farotimi, the court will grant. So, a man who may not have the mental capacity to write a book people will buy is asking for proceed of the world #1 bestseller of this time. This book that was about $17 per copy, that is now over $24 per copy. Somebody had the courage, the boldness, without any sense of shame, and say, court, everything generated from this, the royalty, should be given to me. The court approved. That's what we are hearing, that the court has approved. What is going on? This is a story tale. This is a story tale. It's not the way things should be. It's not the way things should be. Can the judiciary hold themselves? Bring Dele Farotimi to court. Let the case against him be heard. Let him defend himself. Convict him. When you convict him, then you can then grant any relief anybody will ask. By that time, people will know he has been found guilty. Why this rush? Ask for this, ask for that. The man cannot speak for himself. He's locked up somewhere, and people are moving. Rascality of the highest order. They are in panic mode. They are running here and there. They do this one today, they do another one tomorrow. It's not proper. Let somebody talk to those who are granting this relief. This is not the way things should be. It's unfortunate.